Today we are going to discuss on the config array set, how a config array set looks like, how can we make, what is the difference between normal attribute versus config array set, and also if time permits on the SSPL, there is a concept called picker and model attribute. These two parts we shall cover, and then tomorrow onwards we will be discussing the BML concepts. Once BML, the basic syntax and the like data structures are discussed, again we would come back. We would take one like all the rules whatever we configure, we will try to do it in the BML syntax and also the population of array set. With that we would be covering the configuration, and then we will jump into commerce. So today's part is discussing the configuration array set first. Till now we are discussing the attributes. So if you remember, we are just going to the configuration. We initially also we tried creating an attribute at the product family, line, model level, and we understood that the hierarchy, whatever it is following. Now, array set is something different. It is meaning if you want to show a data table like structures in config, then you can use the config array set. So first of all, let's go to configurable attributes. I'll just create 3: serial number, student name, serial number, accessory name, required or not. Like that we will create, because this, since we are operating in a thing. Now just click on attribute. Up above you will see configurable attribute array set. Let's create first array set. I'm naming this as accessories array set. This is something called size attribute. Let's discuss it later. Display type horizontal. I'm making this as, let it be, let's leave it as horizontal, and then we will discuss. Click on create. There is some disclaimer showing up on the screen. The set is not associated to any size attribute. Array will always be of size 1 until a size attribute is associated. Do you want to continue? So what does it mean? We will discuss. Let's click on OK and go forward. So we are done with creation of accessories array set. Inside this, what is available? Okay, it is showing something, but down below, set association information. Under this, associated attribute, but these two blocks are empty. Why these two blocks are empty? Because this only gives a container. Nothing, array set is nothing but a container. Now we will have to fill this container with the attributes. The attributes that we are going to create is serial number, accessory name, third, is it required or not, which is a boolean. So to do so, again click on attribute. You will have to follow this only. Don't get confused. Only thing is, here you see one checkbox. Click on this. That's it. It means this is not a normal attribute. This will be used only in array. That is what you are communicating via checking this box. Click on create. Accessory name, array type. We are done with the creation. Now, if you go inside this accessories array set once again, you would see the association. Associated attribute 3 have come, right?
Yes.
Now, let's place this on the layout. Still it shows some disclaimer. Don't worry about it. We'll show.
I have a doubt, okay?
No, actually, I'm telling like you have configured the three attributes, right?
Yeah, three attributes we are linking with this array set.
So automatically it will populate in the array set. Oh,
No, will show.
okay.
1 second. We'll have to place this on the if it doesn't show up here, if you don't associate it with, here you have you see associated attributes. If you don't put up this, okay, that will not come unless and until you link this. You are linking basically this attribute to this array set by pushing from left to right. If you are not pushing to right, it will be an unlinked attribute.
No, actually it's fine. Like it came automatically, right? With the left side
No, no,
associate
no, 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 no,
attribute.
no. I clicked it. See.
No, no, here it's okay, fine. You have clicked here, okay?
Hmm.
It will come this side.
Hmm.
So this coming at a time, no?
No, you have to
No,
link. If you want to do like put up all these things, then you just click on this.
no.
Go
How
on.
it came associate attribute here? The here automatically.
That's what here if you have to select this checkbox as array type.
I'm asking like
Hmm.
in this model, no,
Hmm.
total how many are building like array sets, like configuration attribute, automatically it will be populated there. Then
Yeah,
we can move from there to
yeah,
earlier.
yeah. In
Correct, right?
in the left it will
Yes, yes.
show. The
Yeah,
right is
got it.
associated with R.
Yes, yes. In this model, how many like in configuration button will you link it with array set? It will automatically populate here.
Here.
Then we can, yeah, that is, yeah.
And
Okay, fine.
one more clarification here is if you like already used this attribute in some other array set, you can create n number of array sets. If you have
Okay,
already used, that will not show up here. One attribute can be used in one array set at any point of time, not multiple.
okay.
Hmm?
It's our choice. Like it is three.
Hmm.
We can go for like a two or one also.
One also.
Okay, fine.
Clear? Serial number, right? See, you don't see the serial number or the boolean is it required just like another attributes because these are array type. So as a array set, we have to search not as an individual thing. Just make a note of this. Now you can see configurable array set. Just just click on this customize field. Inside this, you would see. So here you would be able to see this. Either you can here show label, okay, whether vertical alignment, like left value alignment, value width and all, you can choose from here. Just click on save. So do you see horizontal? This is called horizontal thing. Serial number, accessory name is required, but this particular add button and then delete button, we are not able to see. The reason is the size of this array set is only from 1 to 200 and we have to link an integer attribute to this as a size attribute. You have to create an integer attribute, then link with it, and then we can see this plus icon and delete icon enabled. So far, is it clear how an array set looks like?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Basically, we are creating a table in a attribute level. Correct, right?
Yes. Table like structure, that is called array set. Now we will go back. attribute, we shall create one integer attribute, which is always accessories array controller attribute. Here, pick up the data type as integer, click on create. You would be seeing some other boolean. Do you see something? Array control attribute. Okay. Click on array control attribute. Update. Now go here. See, remember since you put this as an array controller attribute, you cannot increment the value of it to more than 200. There is a limitation from Oracle on config array set that it cannot be greater than 200. Please make a note of it. Size attribute. Now I'll just show after deployment. Let's see if it is working fine or not. If it is not working, then what could be the issue? We shall try to understand from config point of view. Are you seeing it is working? Still, the add and delete icons are not enabled, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
The reason is we should always maintain that attribute on the layout. So let's place this on the layout, but we can hide it. We don't need to show it to the user. Okay, let's place this on the config flow. That is the thing with configuration. Whether you use any attribute as a rule input or some logic driving attribute, you should be careful enough to make this available on the layout. Sorry for the background noise, that is unavoidable. Accessories array control attribute. One second. So let's hide this by using the layout properties. Oh, that's why it is going. Hidden. Now do you see, though the attribute is not visible, you can see the plus icon is enabled and you can
Can you show one more time, like a navigation, how you have done?
yeah, I'll show. So like this concept is clear, right?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So basically what we are going to do, we just let's go to the configuration. Okay, pumps. So here we have gone accessories array controller attribute, we linked, like we have selected it, and then here we have made it hidden. Yeah, 1 second. Huh? So attribute hidden. Now what we have placed, one, even though it is placed on the layout, it will not be visible. First thing, what we did, we linked it with the accessories array set here. Right?
Okay.
Then we placed it on the layout because it should be placed. It should be placed on the layout. Since we have hidden there, I mean, we have selected the option as hidden, it will not be shown up on the UI, but still you can activate this.
Okay.
Now what we will do, we will just make the flow horizontal, from horizontal to vertical, and we will see.